On today's Coverage with Crowley, we're going to talk about what the difference between comprehensive and collision coverage. Comprehensive and collision coverage make up the physical damage portion of your personal auto policy. Physical damage is the coverage that's responsible to pay for the damage to your vehicle. Hey guys, I'm Mike Crowley from Crowley Insurance. Physical damage coverage is not required by New York state law to be on every auto policy and every vehicle. This coverage is optional and should be added to any vehicle that still has value to you as the owner and that you want to be repaired or replaced in the event there is a claim. Comprehensive, or otherwise known as other than collision, covers things like fire, theft, vandalism, falling objects, or if you hit an animal like a deer. It also is what takes care of your glass damage. To learn more about full glass coverage, check out the video we did, which will be linked somewhere on this page. Collision coverage basically covers anything else when it comes to damage on your vehicle. Anytime you hit a moving or a fixed object, the damage that's caused to your vehicle that does not fall under comprehensive will fall under collision. Both comprehensive and collision will have a deductible associated with it, and it's very important that you know what deductible you have before filing a claim. Make sure you talk to an agent or review your insurance policies so you can see exactly what money out of pocket you'd have to spend in the event something needs to be fixed. If you found this to be helpful, please hit that thumbs up like button below. And if you need to contact us, our information will be in the description below. As always, we appreciate you listening, and we will see you again soon.